Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a real fishing lure from scrap materials, just from a champagne bottle cap, a spoon bait. Everything you need is easy to find at home. So let's go. On the table in front of me is a glass bottle of champagne without a label. I start with it. Carefully unscrew the metal wire called a muzzle from the French muzzle. This is a wire basket that holds the cork under pressure. It comes with a round metal plate, a capsule, or a plate. It is located at the very top of the cork and is often decorated with the brand logo. This is what we will use as the basis of our spoon bait. I put the bottle away and move on to the tools. On the table are pliers, nippers, hammer, ratchet attachment number 10, small nail with a diameter of 3 millimeters, 2 fishing hooks number 3, lead sinker weighing 8 grams. We take the capsule, put it on the metal attachment from the ratchet. This is necessary so that when struck, the nail does not pierce the table. Using a hammer and a nail, I make a neat hole in the center of the capsule. Now let's do the muzzle. I carefully untwist and straighten one of the wires. I measure about 10 centimeters. I bend the wire in half in the shape of the letter U. I pass one side of the wire through the ring of the first hook, the other through the second ring of the second hook. Now I carefully begin to twist one end of the wire clockwise, tightly, turn to turn, wrapping both hooks. The second free end, which comes out from the opposite side, I also carefully wind tightly onto the main rod, using pliers for reliability. Next, using nippers, I cut the remaining loop so that I can install the sinkers. I divided one 8-gram sinker in half in advance. I fasten the first half closer to the hooks. I simply crimp the lead sinker with pliers. Now I string our capsule with a hole on the wire. It will serve as the body of the bait. Stepping back about 1.5 centimeters from the first sinker, I install the second half. Then I form a loop. Using the same nail that I punched the hole with, I insert the tip of the wire into it, twist it around, and you get a neat ring for attaching the carabiner. It will be the connection point with the fishing line on the rod. I crimp the second sinker near the loop for reliability. And finally, to give the bait oscillatory properties, I slightly deform the capsule. From a round shape, I turn it into a light oval. In this form, it will play much better in the water, creating tempting vibrations. Done. A simple but working spoon made from a bottle cap, 2 hooks, and a little patience. All that remains is to take the tackle and go fishing.
Carp.